Hey everybody, it's Coach Johnny with Let's Learn Muay Thai. Today we're going to learn how to wrap our hands for Muay Thai and MMA. I'm using 180-inch wraps from my friends over at Triumph United. I use the thumb loop and come over the top of my hand and wrap my wrist 3 times. After the third time, I'll come over the top of my hand towards the pinky side and wrap my knuckles 3 more times. 1, 2, 3, coming out at the index side. I'll come back over the top of the hand, creating an X. Come around the wrist, and now I'll lock in the thumb. I'll come over the thumb and wrap it, make a fist, come over the wrist. Open up my hand, come over the thumb, wrap around, close the fist, and back around the wrist. Now when I open the hands, I'll work on the fingers. Go to the pinky side to the index side. X over the top of the hand, back under the wrist. Now go to the middle finger and ring finger to the index side. X over the top of the hand, under the wrist. Now index and middle finger towards the index side. Make a fist. I'll make 1 lap and another lap around the knuckles. Then I'll X over the top of the hand back towards the wrist. Then I'll just go ahead and finish off on the wrist. And there's your wraps for MMA and Muay Thai. As always, thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you're in Atlanta, please visit us at x3sports.com. I would love to see you in class. As always, see ya!